Okay, let me walk you through the traceability template we created to make writing requirements and user stories easier, especially for new business analysts. Here at the top, we start with the business goal and process name. Every requirement should tie back to a business process. This keeps your works aligned with what the business is trying to achieve. The next, you list all the steps involved in the process and any suggested improvement. This helps us understand the current state, process, and opportunities for optimization. So from there, we move on to identify use cases. Each use case is further broken down to user stories or requirements. To make writing the user stories simple, we broke it down into three parts: who the actor is, what they want, and why it matters to them and the business. So instead of the new student struggling with phrasing the user stories in the best way, we just want them to focus on critical thinking, thinking on the who, the what, and the why. And then the template pulls it all together and gives them the complete user story. Each user story also connects directly to a functional requirement and relevant non-functional requirement. This shows traceability. Nothing is random. Everything links back to the business value. And finally, we map these requirements to maybe acceptance criteria or test cases and test scripts. That way, you can show stakeholders not only what the system should do, but also how it will be validated. This closes the loop from business goals, requirements, up to testing. This template has transformed how our students approach requirement and user story writing. It makes learning business analysis practical, structured, and fun. If you would like access to more templates and learning resources like this, consider joining our business analysis community at Pollard Learning.